Stop telling overthinkers to just relax because that advice isn't harmless. In fact, it's killing their potential in ways most don't realize. If choosing a coffee feels overwhelming, then how do you choose a career? Or how about picking a partner, a path, or any major decision? You've got 2 minutes total. Let's crush decision paralysis once and for all. Your time starts now, so focus up and listen closely to this. Here's what you'll gain from watching this entire video right now. One simple shift that will stop overthinking instantly and bring clarity. A 3-question filter that works powerfully for every single decision you face. Permanent mental clarity follows, no meditation required, no fluff to distract. And no, you're not broken or flawed in any way at all. Your overthinking is not a weakness, but untapped intelligence screaming for strategy. Try this today and watch your decision-making improve faster than you expect. The next time you freeze, here's a simple process to break free. Choose, act, and move. These 3 steps are your mental reset. First, pick any option in 5 seconds flat. That's the choose step. Then take one small action immediately. That's called act in this process. Finally, physically step away to clear your mind. This is move step. That's it. That breaks the loop, starting momentum toward confident decisions fast. Let's be honest, you've wasted hours obsessing over things that barely matter. Too many tabs open in your brain, endless pros and cons lists and fog. The usual advice? Just write about your feelings. It doesn't actually help. That's the wrong tool for this kind of problem you're facing daily. Your brain is not a diary. It's a supercomputer starving for commands. Choose act move? That's only a band-aid, a quick fix to stop the spiral. The real fix lies much deeper than that simple 3-step method ever goes. There's a hidden mental switch that high performers flip every single day. It trains your mind to decide with power, speed, and confidence each time. But most people never reach that switch because they quit just before clicking. Subscribe now to start building this vital mental skill right this moment. Tomorrow's clarity and confidence begin with what you do today. Don't delay. Comment, train me, if you want to master your mind instead of medicating it.